Hello YouTube, this is Male65336 going to begin disassembly of the Traditions Buck Hunter Pro pistol. There's really not that much to take apart on this particular type of gun. We have a set screw in the back for the pistol grip. There is a small pin, which is actually a type of wedge using an Allen head key that needs to be removed. There is on the bottom side of the foregrip a flat head screw. There is the ramrod assembly that runs underneath the barrel. Simply pull that out. Front of the barrel has a ported muzzle brake. It's simply a thread off design. Now when I remove these screws, let me flip this over, it will actually allow these two pieces, the barrel and the housing, to be separated from each other so that we can get to the breech plug. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these things, and then I will start another video from there. Alright, thank you for watching.